Before we dive into routing, let's cover a fundamental concept that will help us better understand how routing works in Next.js. That concept is React Server Components, or RSC for short. React Server Components is a new architecture that was introduced by the React team and quickly adopted by Next.js. This architecture introduces a new approach to creating React components by dividing them into two distinct types: server components and client components. We will explore these component types in more detail as we move forward, but for now, let's focus on a few key points. By default, Next.js treats all components as server components. These components can perform server-side tasks like reading files or fetching data directly from a database. The trade-off is that they can't use React hooks or handle user interactions. If you want to create a client component, you will need to add the useClient directive at the top of your component file. While client components can't perform server-side tasks like reading files, they can use hooks and handle interactions. Think of client components as the traditional React components you're already familiar with from previous versions of React. As we get into routing, you will see practical examples of both component types. We will work with server components that wait for certain operations to complete before rendering content, and we will use client components to take advantage of hooks from the routing module. Having this basic understanding of server and client components will really help you grasp the routing concepts better. If none of this makes sense right now, don't worry. We will cover everything about React Server Components in much more detail later in the course. Alright, with this foundation, let's jump into routing in Next.js. Supporting the channel is free. Please like and subscribe, it helps a lot.